Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eleni. If you're new here, I am a second year dental student and I go to Tufts. This week is the third week back at school. This week I'm actually not going into school. I'm just doing online classes this week. So not as exciting as last week. Last week, if you watched my vlog, I went back into school for the first time since March and it was just so fun and so exciting. We got fitted for N95 masks. We had instrument distribution, so we got all of our new instruments for second year. And then we had to mount a real tooth for our peds lab, which I have next week. So yeah, this week I don't have anything because we're split into groups. So our groups are rotating. So this week my group isn't going in. So I actually go in next week a few times, which will be exciting. But this week, yeah, I only have online classes this week. And what else? So today I woke up a little bit late. It's actually Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so happy MLK Day. I don't have classes today, so I'm actually going to brunch right now with my friends. I'm meeting up with 3 of my friends from school. So it's not gonna be a lot of us, so it's fine. I feel like I have to be even more careful now that I am going into school because one, it's like a whole new environment. Like before I wasn't going anywhere, so now I'm basically going into like a hospital setting, and so that's just like a whole new environment and I'm seeing more people, so I have to be careful in that sense. And I also have to be careful because if I were to get sick, I don't want to get any of my classmates sick. So I have to be really careful, I feel like, from now on. But luckily next week I'm getting the vaccine, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, so I'm actually going to go to CVS now before I head to brunch. There are a couple of things that I wanted to buy that I kept note of, like when I went to school, things that I needed for next time that I go to school. So I'll do a little haul of that afterwards and I'll show you guys what I got because I think it'll be helpful for you if you are going back into school. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to CVS now and then I'm gonna head to brunch and I'll talk to you guys after. Hey guys, it's a little while later. I've been procrastinating doing my work and just watching TV, so I need to get to work. But first I wanted to show you guys what I got at CVS. And I actually picked up something from Target the other day too, which I think might be helpful for you guys. My hands have been so dry from washing my hands all the time. So I actually got this hand sanitizer lotion and it's a 2-in-1. So it sanitizes as well as moisturizes. So I thought this would be really helpful for me and it might be helpful for you guys who are going back into clinic and you know you're always washing your hands. My hands have been so dry, especially because it's winter time. So I think this will be really helpful for me. I also got 2 of these disinfecting wipes because every time I sit at a desk or you know in the pre-clinic, I want to make sure that I'm wiping all the surfaces before I sit down. So I think that these surface wipes will be really helpful for that, and also for like cleaning my laptop and my phone after like using it at school, because you never know like who sat there before you. So I just want to be extra careful when I'm going into school, so I thought these would be really helpful. And then I also got these command strip hooks because, as you guys know, if you have a locker for dental school, it's mostly just filled with your dental instruments and everything. So my locker right now is jam-packed with all of that stuff that I need to use in the pre-clinic, and there's no room to actually hang anything like my jacket or anything. So I got these command strip hooks to put on like the door of my locker so I can like hang up my jacket or like an extra sweater that I might have when I'm at school. So this I think will be really helpful to put on the inside of my locker. And then I also just got these 2 little hooks. I don't know how you guys do it at your schools, but they're giving us 2 little like drawers in actually the pre-clinic to put some of our projects or something. So I got 2 hooks to lock my little drawers. So that will be helpful as well. And something else that I've been thinking about for those of you who are going into the pre-clinic for the first time, having a Sharpie is really helpful so you can write your name on all of your boxes because everyone's going to have all the same stuff. So having a Sharpie is really helpful. So I have this Sharpie. I've had this for a while. I think I just found it somewhere in my house and this will be useful to write my name on everything, and then also when you start drilling and stuff, it's really helpful to draw out what you're going to drill, so I think this will also be very helpful.
Use this space. We also want to get rid of these old panels that block your view. Yes, that'd be nice. And
Hey guys, it's Tuesday afternoon now. Today I had my intro to clinical protocol meeting with my group practice, and basically we just went over the Axiom training together, figuring out how to read a radiograph and then enter that into the odontogram on Axiom. And Axiom is just the health record that we use with our patients. So I had that class this morning, and then I also had medicine, but I wasn't really focusing or paying attention, so I just logged off, and I'll rewatch it again later. And yeah, it's been kind of a slow day, and I've been working on editing some videos for you guys. But yeah, been kind of a slow day, but now I think I'm going to work out a little bit and maybe get some energy for this afternoon to do my diversity homework. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I just took a shower. I did a 3-mile run on the treadmill downstairs. I really like it because I just throw on some YouTube and watch that while I'm running. So I just took a shower, and I'm gonna just do a quick to-do list. I've been liking doing a little to-do list each night, so I know in the morning what I need to get done. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm starving, so I'm gonna make a quick dinner. So I'm gonna make my to-do list now because, like I said before, today was kind of like a slow day, and I feel like because I didn't do my morning routine, and I didn't get my day started. I woke up late, and then I was rushing to jump on Zoom for my class this morning, so I didn't really have a good start to my day. So tomorrow I want to make sure that I have a nice start to my day, a fresh start, start out productive, so then I can have a productive day and get a lot done tomorrow, because I feel like I've been putting off a lot of things that I should be getting done. So tomorrow I want to make sure that I get a lot of stuff done. So I'm going to do my to-do list now, and then after dinner I'll probably just do my diversity homework, and then later tonight, so I really love home improvement shows like HGTV, and I've recently been into Fixer to Fabulous, and their new episodes are Tuesday nights, so I'll probably watch that tonight and then go to bed after that. So yeah, I'll just do my to-do list, and I'll talk to you guys later. Morning guys! I woke up a little bit later than I had planned to, but I've still had a productive little morning routine because I have my list. I feel like the list really helped me stay on track for my morning routine. So this is what I have. So I already washed my face and I made my bed. And I have my lemon water. So I'll probably fold laundry for like a midday break. I have my coffee downstairs brewing, and then I'm gonna do my diversity homework now. So yeah, I feel like having a list made me a little bit more focused on like my morning routine and what I need to get done. Like I know exactly what I need to do this morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs now, get my coffee, and then finish up my diversity homework because I didn't finish reading the articles, and then probably do my endodontics lecture. It's pre-recorded and we can do it on our own time, so that's probably what I'm going to work on today. Morning guys, it's Thursday now. I have a quiz for ICP right now. ICP is just the clinical protocols class that we're in, and in this class we're just basically talking about how to use Axiom, which is the online health record for patients, any emergency protocols in the clinic. We talked about those kinds of things, where to find everything in the clinic, you know, different protocols, especially now for like donning and doffing, how to clean up the operatories, stuff like that. So everything that has to do with the clinic, we're talking about in this class. So I just have a quiz right now, and then I'm actually going into school today to get my COVID test for the week, because every week we have to get one COVID test. And then I have to watch some endodontic lectures because that's how they're going to keep attendance. It's not like, it's a pre-recorded class, it's not a live class, but they can still check through Canvas if we've watched the lecture or not. So I have to watch those lectures today. And yeah, so I'm going to take the quiz right now and I'll talk to you guys after. I just finished my quiz. Thankfully, it was open notes, so I could just look at my notes and answer the questions that way. Otherwise, there were a couple of things that I really didn't know, but I also didn't study because I knew it was open notes, so glad that's over with. But I wanted to show you guys, I actually made a binder with everything that I'll need for clinic. Well, so far, not everything, but there's a lot of things that we need to know for clinic. So I basically just put a bunch of stuff in here so far. So like needle stick protocols, you know, if there's an emergency, all these things that we would need to know for the clinic, how to fill out Axiom. So I kind of just put this all together in this binder, and I thought that would be helpful for clinic. So yeah, now that that's over, I'm going to pack up and probably head to school for my COVID test. And I'm actually helping my first year little, she's getting all of her instruments today. So I'm gonna go into school very quickly and help her organize all of her stuff. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I just finished helping my little with her instruments. It was really fun actually to help her organize everything. I remember how exciting that time was first year when you first got all of the instruments and everything. It can be a little overwhelming because there's a lot of stuff that they gave us that first day, but it can be really overwhelming. So I'm glad that I was able to help her out a little bit and kind of help her organize everything. And if you're also in first year and you just got your instruments, I actually did a little video of how I organize my stuff. So I'll link that down below so you guys can check out that video. And yeah, so I got my COVID test also, and now I'm going to head over to my boyfriend's house and finish up the endo lectures for today because they check attendance through Canvas, whether or not you watched it. So I have to go finish watching the endo lectures before tonight, so I'm not marked absent. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's been a few days, but I wanted to end off this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to subscribe down below and don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting about dental school there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.